Hello everyone, this is Carol Zhang. Welcome to the CGSP CCTV certification program. The topic of this video is Introduction of Video Management Software, VMS. Let us start with the learning objectives of this course. By the end of this course, you will firstly understand the importance and the development history of VMS. Secondly, be familiar with the basic concept, application scenarios, and the value of VMS. Thirdly, know about the overseas VMS system of Hikvision. In order to achieve learning objectives, we will have these three parts in this course, including VMS basics, VMS application, and the Hikvision overseas VMS system. The first part is about the VMS basics. We will talk about why we need VMS, what is VMS, and how VMS has been developed. Firstly, let us together think about a case. In an office building, there are more than 300 IP cameras connected. To guarantee the security of office building at night, security personnel needs to keep eyes open for any intrusion. This is a very hard work. If this person loses attention, it may cause security risk. Therefore, do you have any idea to help security personnel to improve the work efficiency and increase the security level of this office building? My suggestion is deploying video management software. With video management software, you can manage a great number of cameras with ease. Monitor multiple cameras in one view. If cameras support intelligent functions such as intrusion detection, video management software can receive real-time alarm to security personnel, and then they can take action. In addition, for evidence search in future, convenient event search based on text and event search analysis, and a quick run-through of video based on event types. Therefore, you can quickly locate the video file of intrusion. Now we will talk about what is VMS. A video management software is an integral component of an organization's security infrastructure. It's supposed to manage, capture, record, store, retrieve, view, and analyze the videos collected from cameras. Therefore, it's commonly used to integrate independent parts of system, including cameras, encoders, recording systems, storage infrastructure, client workstations, gateway systems, and analytics software, mainly provided a single interface for video surveillance infrastructure management. As shown in this figure, VMS can centrally manage IPCs directly or via NVR. IPC and NVR are connected to software via TCP/IP network. Let us learn about how the video management software has been developed. In the traditional CCTV system, the combination of camera and PCB board enables the batch configuration of devices. Then, in the digital video system, a VMS used to be the software component of a digital video recorder, DVR. So, it can provide unified management of cameras connected with a DVR. It collects video from cameras and other sources, records, stores that video to a storage device, and provides an interface to both view the live video and access recorded video. Then, in network video system, in addition to the unified management, a VMS in network video recorder NVR can support some application based on video system. In these years, VMS trend appears in 3-4 aspects: multi-business management, on-wave standard access protocol, video data structuralization, and application based on industry. For integration, VMS can manage multiple individual systems with ease, such as access control, parking lot, and intrusion alarm system, and more, so we can explore cross-system functionalities. Built over a truly unified architecture, the software provides connected and interactive applications to enhance your operational efficiency. For example, an intrusion alarm and access control with video verification, or perhaps visitor control with pre-registration of vehicles, and much more. By tapping into multiple subsystems, it extends users' awareness and empowers them with optimized management approaches. In order to let more devices access VMS, VMS tends to support standard protocol. For example, on VIF protocol. So, third-party devices can be connected with VMS. As VMS keeps developing, it continuously becomes more intelligent. With the ability called video data structuralization, VMS can recognize and analyze the structured data, such as person features and vehicle. So it supports the development of intelligent applications. For example, VMS can support license plate number recognition. The VMS offers an abundance of application options to facilitate the digital transformation process for different industries. These applications enable intelligent operations in many sectors of society. Based on video system, the intelligent applications decrease the labor cost and increase the industry efficiency. VMS system can be divided into two components, application and configuration. VMS supports abundant applications such as live video, video playback, alarm receiving and handling. There are various selections for clients, web client, control client, or mobile app client. Before application, administrator needs to finish configuration and management of system, such as add device to VMS and configure devices parameters, such as recording schedule, storage settings. VMS have different user accounts for operators. These user accounts also can be managed. IT managers can monitor and maintain system health. This configuration and management are usually available on web client and control client. VMS can be categorized into variable types according to their application scenarios and deployment method. From the perspective of application scenarios, there are general VMS, industrial VMS, and public VMS. General VMS aims to be selected by most of application scenarios, thus it does not have many industry attributes. For example, HackCentral Professional Hackvision security management software helps professionals integrate and manage security systems. It is able to meet a variety of security challenges on a single platform for business and industry applications. Industrial VMS is designed to suit the needs of certain vertical industries. For example, HackCentral Enterprise, Hackvision's business intelligence industry platform software, supports 4 common vertical industries: commercial buildings, retail, industrial parks, and education. For different industries, HackCentral Enterprise can provide different intelligent functions based on their requirements. The public VMS is utilized to keep public safety with smart big data functions. The VMS can be deployed in local server or cloud. In Hackvision, there is VSaaS platform called HackCentral Connect. Okay, now we know a VMS is an important tool to have in security system in nowadays, because it can provide unified security management as well as how VMS has been developed, what is trend of VMS, and what types of VMS we have. Then in the second part, we will talk about VMS application, how VMS is applied in various scenarios. As we introduced before, VMS is used for central security management. Therefore, it is usually be applied in a control room, like shown in this picture. There are many monitors here, and we usually call it smart wall. These are 3 benefits of VMS centrally deployed in control room. Firstly, enhanced automation. Interoperability empowers quicker daily operation, efficient and comprehensive video security, enabling users to customize their own view to get an all-encompassing perception of all videos, maps, and data. Operators can quickly open the saved view for daily monitoring. What's more, each video feed can be opened in a few seconds for quick preview and playback. Secondly, prompt incident handling. In an integrated system, alarm inputs sources are not only from CCTV devices, but also can be accessed abnormal NPR block list, external alarm input or output, and emergency call, and etc. Once alarm is triggered, and there will be real-time notification prompt on the smart wall to remind operators to handle. In addition, if operators cite some alarm linkage action to the alarm, for example, the video recording or sending email automatically or keep access point remain locked, then operator can conveniently verify video recordings or realize auto-triggering actions. After operators verify the alarm, they can handle the alarm on VMS by some quick remote controlling functions, such as voice talk, dual status, PTZ. Then, if the incident is handled well, operator can acknowledge it on VMS. Thirdly, complete evidencing. All records and footage managed in one platform, and quick incident search and location using thumbnails, convenient event search based on text, and VC search analysis such as motion detection, line crossing, and quick run-through of video based on event types. Video export as evidence for reviewing, filling, and downloading in various formats. Okay, so now we know VMS is commonly centrally deployed and applied in control room. Security guards are the user of VMS in control room. Their main responsibility includes central monitoring of multiple channels and system health display and alarm handling. So, we introduced before, once alarm happened, related video displayed on smart wall to remind operators to handle. Thus, VMS is able to improve the business efficiency of security guards, lead to rapid alarm response and handling, and shorten the response time of emergency case. The second type of user is IT staff. The common scenarios is also control room. They are focused on system monitoring such as CPU and RAM status, server status. If the CPU and RAM capability is not enough, IT staff can expand them in advance to improve server status. In addition, they are responsible for device health track, including network status, image status, and recording status, and etc. of connected devices. Then, they can find out the reason efficiently if any problem occurs in the whole system. VMS is applied in an enormous number of application scenarios, such as office building, retailing, banking, and city managing. For these various application scenarios, they have their own specific demands. Office building security concentrates on the video security, and VMS with AI-empowered video security stands like a reassuring guards 24/7. And retailing industry faces more challenges, such as tight space with no security, loss prevention, and operation optimization. Therefore, it requires not only video security but also intelligent data analysis for a well-designed store layout and a better customer flow. Then, for bank, system reliability is of great importance because any system issue may result in huge problems. In addition to video security, emergency response and access control are also very important. Finally, For city managing, creating a secure and serene environment is essential for cities to develop and thrive. With increasing urban densities, cities need more advanced technologies to safeguard people and property. A VMS can provide a much more efficient way for keeping a sharp eye on things. There will be a continuous growing number of security devices connected to the system, so the network redundancy is crucial. For all these application scenarios, the project size can be varied from very small to large. According to the camera's number included in the system, the systems are identified as small projects if there are less than 256 cameras, as medium project if the quantity is between 256 and 3,000, as large project if the number of cameras is larger than 3,000. Now let us check 3 common application scenarios of VMS. The first one is video security, which is the most basic and important application of VMS. These are 3 features. For audio parameter, it can provide a more secure and more reliable solution. A VMS may also provide the ability to remotely control pan, tilt, zoom PTZ cameras, which can be remotely rotated, titled, and zoomed. Therefore, it can cover ultra-wide area and monitor high-clarity details at the same time. For indoor security, you can get more effective video details from each camera. Image performance can be optimized for typical things, including dark environment, strong light, backlight condition, and so on. The third feature is AI-empowered security. As shown in this captured picture, AI-empowered video alarm can enhance the perimeter security. The intelligent video analysis technology based on deep learning algorithms detects targets and classifies them into humans, vehicles, and others. It helps produce reliable alarms for users, thus early notice on risky behaviors by various deep learning algorithms, and also security guards focus on human vehicle movements only by AI false alarm filter. The second scenario is ANPR and parking lots. ANPR means automatic number plate recognition. Firstly, secure and efficient entrance and exit management. Let us check the first video. For registered vehicle, barrier automatically opens and allows non-stop passing. Operator can manually correct license and remotely control barrier on control client. For visitors whose vehicle is not registered in advance, there is a solution combining video intercom and remote barrier control. Thus, visitor can call remote center for non-toll booth scenario or when the booth is off duty. VMS can also store the records of vehicle license plates, images, and videos. Therefore, operator can search history passing records according to the license plates and get the capture picture and video recording in future. In conclusion, we see entrance and exit management is adaptable to the scenarios with or without attendant booths, and hands-free non-stop drive through, while ANPR is able to improve the experience and efficiency for drivers. Easy to retrieve vehicle records are supported by license plate number or by various vehicle event filters. There is also advanced function called parking guidance for parking lot. Usually, at the entrance of parking lot, a LED display monitor shows the total parking spaces and the vacant spaces remained in the parking lot. Then, after entering the parking lot, drivers can check the vehicle guidance indicator to choose a suitable way. Smart vehicle guidance cameras installed at each parking space upload the real-time guidance information. The green light on cameras indicates the parking space is available, and when the vehicle occupies the space, the light turns to red, so other drivers know that the space is unavailable. There is also a function called vehicle location inquiry. Drivers can find their vehicle via license plate number, parking location ID, or parking time. On the system, you can have a preview of vehicle snapshot and video footage to check whether it is your vehicle. If you confirm, then you can click Get Location Information. Then you can see your current position and position of your vehicle and recommended route on a visualized map. Hence, this solution can provide visualized, intuitive, full-cycle parking guidance of floor, direction, and space availability. In addition, self-service vehicle parking location inquiry improves convenience and efficiency. Parking violation alarm and retrievable vehicle parking records are also available via smart vehicle cameras records. The third scenario is for in-store BI, business intelligence. As a customer-focused industry, in-stores face ever more challenges, such as tight space with no security and loss prevention and operation optimization, and etc. VMS solution for stores can secure store with high-definition video evidence and quick emergency response. Moreover, combining retail store solution with security devices and analytics can result in a well-designed store layout and better customer flow that will boost the store's operational efficiency and revenue margins. Store entrances are critical for both security and marketing. The marketing relies on precise customer visit data for optimized operations and business analysis. A VMS system with intelligent people counting camera has multiple intelligent business enhancing features to improve the security, efficiency, and experience. The precise customer traffic analysis, including working rate, valid customer traffic, and customer attribution analysis, can be used for store owner to collect customer flow and help to evaluate the effectiveness of any promotion activity and adjust the business plan. Then, for in-store shopping area, how can business owners effectively protect shopping areas and maximize the return on a very limited security budget? A fisheye camera can provide up to 360-degree wide area HD video coverage and heat map analysis to identify most visited areas and optimize shelving and therefore improve areas sales efficiency. Abundant types of analysis reports are also available, including global heat map, dwell rate analysis, pathway analysis. Next, at cash counter, there is a primary challenge to focus on improving the customer experience, preventing long queues, and quickly handling any disputes over transactions. A VMS system with queue management cameras can have queue detection and supports auto alarm to manage when the queue goes beyond the limits. Analytics reports of dwell times and regional retention are also available. All these functions are centrally managed in a main office while the operator works. VMS, for example, Hack Central Professional, provides easy configuration experience for store management and display retail data. Here, let us together check this video for store BI scenarios, and you will get a comprehensive understanding about how VMS can allow stores to improve their customer experience and enhance their bottom line.
For shop owners, how to gain insights from data like customer shopping preferences and walk-in rate, and optimize store operations can be great challenges. With multidimensional data perception and analysis technologies, Hike Central Professional Business Intelligence System can help right here. Both pass-bys and customers entered into the stores will be calculated at the shop entrance. With these data, the system can generate walking rate and passenger flow analysis. Johnson, owner of the stores, can easily find out less attractive shops and make adjustments, such as arranging more promotion activities and eye-catching advertisements to improve store attraction. By comparing the customer flow before and after adjustments, Johnson can evaluate if the promotion takes effect for improving attraction. Inside the shop, video stream from fisheye cameras covering the whole area would be transformed into digitalized data and displayed on Hike Central Professional as global heat map. The most popular area would be displayed in red, while less popular area as green. The dwell rate analysis feedback precise customer flow and state rate of each area. For Johnson, this could be quite valuable. You can put the new spotlight products in the most popular area to make sure most customers pass by and stand in front of them. Sometimes, the long waiting line at cash counter will spoil customers' experience. To avoid this situation, queue detection alarm would be sent to Johnson as soon as the line achieves threshold. Then he can arrange staff to open additional cash counter. No more customers will complain about the long waiting line anymore. Hike Central Professional offers a unified dashboard panel to centrally demonstrate diversified business intelligence data and help shop owners to supervise and make better business decisions.
Okay, then we will move on to the final part of this course, Introduction of Hikvision Overseas VMS System. We actually already briefly introduced this Hike Central software family to you in the first part of this course. Hikvision has Hike Central Professional, Hike Central Enterprise, and Hike Central Master. Hike Central Professional is designed for general security business. Therefore, it is usually applied by small and medium business and some of enterprise. It integrates multiple functions including video management, visitor management, intrusion alarms, security surveys, entrance and exit management for vehicle, and so on. Hike Central Enterprise are designed for vertical industries such as smart retail, smart education, smart industry parks, and smart building. According to their certain specific demands for security, Hike Central Master is designed for public security, including safe city, traffic management, and city service, based on smart big database. Okay, that's all content for this course. In this course, we talk about what is video management software and how it is developed and what's the trend, and also how it is applied in different scenarios. And lastly, we talk about what Hikvision have for VMS. Thank you for your listening and look forward for our next meeting.